Shoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support. So today I will be doing this DIY men's t-shirt into a female's t-shirt. This is a bit of a transformation video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah, let's start. I will be doing on this t-shirt. Now take the hand portion and I will remove this portion with the help of a safety pin. So as you can see, I have removed this portion with the help of a safety pin. So now I will do the same with this hand also. So as you can see, I have removed both of them. So now take the hand portion and cut it like so. After that, stretch the hand portion like so and tie a small knot. As you can see the final result of the hand portion. So now I will cut this portion from the collar like so, and as you can see, after that I will stitch the collar like so. As you can see, I have stitched it. So now for the next step, what I will do, I will sew this small portion attaching two collars together. Now just fold the collar like so, press it nicely and then sew it. So as you can see, I have sewed it. I have marked this middle portion of the t-shirt and I have drawn a triangle over here. So I have cut the triangle, as you can see. So now I will stitch these two parts together. I will use all of these pom-poms to make the head of the unicorn. Stick it with glue gun, nice amount of glue. Stick the pom-poms like so. So now as you can see, I have drawn the ear and the horn part of the unicorn, and now I will color it. I am using this camel liner color. This is the 3D liner color. I was not having any kind of golden color, so I used this 3D liner color. So now let's color it. Put a plastic inside so that it does not stain on the other side. Take this black color and outline it. So now I will draw the unicorn's eyes and I'm done.
Thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that like button and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but do share your comments in the comment box below. So yeah, if you are new here, I upload videos every Friday. So if you like my work, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. And I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.